Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today we have a teen room makeover for you. So we have been working on Katie's room for a while and we finally finished it. So we're going to show you what we did, and then she's going to take you on a tour of her newly redecorated room.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say. I love you from a beating heart.
It is 2 days later. I have ordered my hammock chair and it came in today, and we are going to a local hardware store on Hilton Head to get one final piece that we need to hang the chair.
Now we need a really big hook to install it in the ceiling, so that's what we're going to try to do. They sent some stuff with the chair, but it looks a whole lot harder. So we watched a few videos to find a few different ways to hang it, and we think this will be the easiest way, so we need to go do that. And while we're at Graco, I'm also going to look at some paint because I want to paint my front door. Alright, so this is the actual chair, and it's got two straps that go up. I think we're going to hang them separately instead of together, like to kind of make a triangle. Then we have this chain situation. All of this came with the chair, so I think what we're going to do is do like a hanging point at the ceiling, and then have these other carabiners come down and connect to those straps there. And then this is how we're going to hang it into the ceiling, connected to that. So our first order of business is to figure out where exactly we want to put it, and we have to find a stud and mark that and then drill the hole.
To my room. Come on in. So right when you walk in my room, you see my desk slash vanity, because I have a mirror right here. And this mirror came from Target, and we had it in my mom's office area at our old house. And I also have like a calendar. And I have a thing that holds my favorite pens that I use for my notes. I have this paper towel holder that I use as a holder for my scrunchies. And I also have this lamp right here that is very industrial looking that I got off of Amazon, and that is brand new. And my desk also came from Amazon, and that's also brand new. So is the chair, and the chair came from World Market. And this door right here is my closet, and then I have a plant over here that I got from Hobby Lobby. Right here is my nightstand that I got for Christmas like 2 or 3 years ago from Hobby Lobby. And I have a Bath & Body Works candle, a lamp from Amazon, and I have my alarm clock. Right beside it is my bed, and it's the same bed frame that I had that we got from Wayfair like a year ago. But I got new bedding, and this bedding is just a duvet cover that is white, and it has tassels on it. And that came from Amazon. And I'm pretty sure that these pillows, they were on my window seat in my old room, and those came from Target. And I have this blanket that I just set to add a little pop of color onto my bed, and I got this blanket from Vera Bradley like a year ago. It's the softest blanket that I've ever had. I also have this tapestry right here that I got from Amazon that was also in my old room. And my rug is brand new, and it came from Target. Over here, I have my hammock chair that we just put up, and we got it from Amazon, and it also came with this cushion right here, and I just laid this Sherpa blanket that I got from Walmart not too long ago. So one of my favorite parts about my room is this whole wall of windows right here. It brings in a lot of light during the day. But we have it closed now because it is nighttime. Over here I have this plant that I got from Hobby Lobby and this letterboard that I had in my old room that came from Hobby Lobby too. So my room isn't completely done yet. There are still a few things that I'd like to add over time. For example, I think this plant is going to eventually move to that corner over there. And I think I'm gonna get like a ladder shelf to put on this corner right here to make this corner not so bare. And I'm just gonna put like succulents and things like that on it. And over here I have my TV with my game consoles, and we have this TV stand that we got from Kirkland's, and it used to be in the upstairs living room at our old house, but we didn't have a place to put it in this house, so it came in here to me. And in the cabinets of it, I have this sign from Hobby Lobby that says, "If you can be anything, be kind." This succulent from Walmart. This elephant succulent from Hobby Lobby. And I have this plant right here that used to be in our upstairs living room too, that came from Target, I'm pretty sure. And in this cabinet right here, I just have some of my favorite childhood stuffed animals, and below that I have my Polaroid photo printer, and I have a succulent that I got from IKEA. All of my plants are fake because I don't know how to take care of plants. Yes. That should be in the video when Dad said that. So in this cabinet right here, I just have my DVD set of of all the episodes of Full House. That's like my favorite show ever. And right here I just have some of my games to my 2 game consoles up here and game controllers. And I also have this sign right here that's semi behind the door when you walk in, and it's just this arrow sign that I had in my old room, and it came from Hobby Lobby. So I used to have the really popular LED drip lights in my old room that just ran across like the top of the wall just around my room, but they never really worked very well. And they also dripped paint off the walls, taking them off. So here I decided that I wanted to try color changing light bulbs. So I have one of the light bulbs in my lamp, and I also have them in my fan too. So this is an example of like what it does. I just have a remote control that can control all of it, and I can even set it to like normal colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.